Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. We are at the Harley-Davidson Museum getting ready to set up for the Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
This show is a curated art show. It's really about the art and it's about you. The secret is it's not a motorcycle show, it's a people show. The other thing, the reason why you're an invited builder is because the gift is the invitation. It's really a gift to us because we see your work, we know you, and it's a relationship.
What's up, everybody? Hanging out here at the Harley-Davidson Museum. Got my great friend Percy from the 5 Dirty Bikers. Austin, this guy who built the motorcycle. And we're here today supporting the Autism Society of America. We are raising money, selling raffle tickets for this amazing 1975 Sportster. So Percy, as the 5 Dirty Bikers, as the guys coming to us saying, hey, will you build us a cool bike? What has been your favorite part of this whole process?
Oh my God, dude! I don't even know where to start.
I caught him off guard.
I mean, the favorite part was when we did the reveal, I think in Louisville.
Super rad.
And the bike rolled off the back of the trailer, and everybody was just like going apeshit crazy over how amazing the bike looked. And it sounds great too. I'm sure at some point in the video we'll have a little sound.
Well, I mean, I plan on riding this motorcycle off the property today, so riding back to the trailer and put a little bit of time.
Okay.
I mean, I know you haven't rode it yet, so
I thought you were going to say you're going to ride it back to Florida, and I was about to tell you, you might want to rethink that.
Nah, I don't want to have to stop at gas stations that often. So, but yeah, super rad. So you haven't had a chance to sit on it. Or,
I've been on it.
You've been on it?
I haven't ridden it yet.
Okay,
but
well, maybe we can make that happen at the end of the day.
Yeah, maybe today.
Come find me at 5 o'clock when we close down the show. I'll let you ride it up and down the street. Everybody else has done it.
Yeah, I know. See, I was the responsible of the 5 Dirty Bikers. I'm the responsible one.
You were the clean dirty biker out of the.
I'm the business guy that says it's all about risk mitigation.
Yeah, well, today's not about risk. Today's about having fun, having a good time. Percy, thank you so much.
Thanks so much, man.
Make sure you guys are checking out the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast. Make sure that you go on to the link down below, buy a raffle ticket for this amazing 1975 David Mann replica Sportster.
Hooah.
Hooah. Hooah.
Hooah.
Hooah. Folks, here we are, Harley-Davidson's 120th, and I'm here with my new friend, Larry from Savannah, Georgia.
Yes, sir.
All the way up from the land of the South.
Right, sir. Yes,
up
sir.
here to the land of the Harleys.
Land of the Harleys.
Land of the Harleys, and you're
The
riding
homecoming.
the homecoming.
Yeah.
120. You only do that once. You only turn on
Only
one.
one time, right.
And we're here for it today. And Larry brought his amazing, what is it? Tell us about it.
It's my father's 2013 Road King that I did for him for his 70th birthday. He served on the USS Lexington. My dad had his first experience with motorcycling while stationed on the USS Lexington. One of his shipmates used to ride a Triumph and allowed my dad to
Whoa. Rode a Triumph?
Rode a Triumph.
Come on, that's my channel, man.
Okay, see that? See that? So my dad's first experience with motorcycling was on the Triumph. And from there, he got in and said he liked Hondas for a little bit. Then he got into Harley-Davidson. That's all he did was with now.
He got bit by the bug.
Got bit by the bug. Did some research. I bought this book that basically had the whole entire history of the USS Lexington the USS Lexington is now a museum out in Corpus Christi. So I was able to work with the historian, the boat's historian, to get an idea of like the actual color, because a lot of times now, like what's popular now is like
gunship gray,
gunship gray,
yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like these Nardo grays.
But it's not the real color.
Those are not like real Navy colors. So the official Navy color is haze gray, and the Navy has a thing called haze gray underway. The top of the rear fender, gas tank, and the top of the nacelle is painted to look like the landing strip. I've got the ship numbers. Kamikaze flew into the side of the USS Lexington on the port side, I believe. On the ship, they actually have a rising sun, the Japanese rising sun flag where the Kamikaze flew into the side of the boat. And on the flight deck side, it has beware of jet blast and propellers.
Nothing more precious than taking those moments with your dad,
right,
and doing things like that. I know that your dad's super stoked about the bike. And I just think it's a really cool story hearing that Larry went down from Washington, D.C., down to Savannah, Georgia, say, hey, Dad, it's the Harley 120th. Can I ride the bike I built you and have you present with me, at least there in spirit at the 120? And it's so rad, man. Appreciate man, dude, Larry is also a YouTuber himself. How can these guys find you over on YouTube?
Build, Ride, Repeat. I have a channel and I have a playlist of build series on the bike where I take delivery of the bike, me doing the research and the artwork and the paint on the bike, because I did the paint and everything myself, and had Zipper Performance installed, do some performance upgrades, and with their Redshift 520 RS 528 cam and everything. And this bike moves like.
You guys, make sure you jump on to Build, Ride, Repeat. Check out Larry, what he's got going on, and make sure you subscribe to his channel. Check it out. We are going to go see some other Harley-Davidsons around this place, so you guys stick around. What's up, everybody? We are here at the Harley-Davidson 120th, hanging out with my new friend, Nico. And Nico brought something to Harley-Davidson that is not a Harley-Davidson, and it immediately won my heart. So, what you riding here, buddy? What is it?
All right, we got a 1974 CB 750.
74 CB 750.
Yeah.
Now, these bikes are what kind of put the British motorcycles out of business, because they're so fast, they're so dependable. If you want an old vintage bike, I tell people, get an old Honda. All you have to do is put gas in it and ride it.
Exactly. Make it whatever you want.
And you have made it whatever you want. So what was kind of your inspiration on this bike?
Well, I was really looking for like a time machine, you know, something that looks like you're grabbing pieces through time and you're, you know, traveling through time. That's is rolled out of the garage. The guy's going back, grabbing a headlight from one time, grabbing a safe dial from another. So each piece, I mean, it's me and my dad, we both built it by hand, got it from stock 10 years ago in Milwaukee, right like 10 minutes away from here.
Wow.
And yeah, I got it when I was 19.
Wow.
And been riding it.
Isn't it super cool to take something so old, bring it back to life, make it, put your own kind of like spin on it, make it your own, and be able to physically ride it. But you said this is your daily rider, right?
This is my daily rider. I commute in Chicago to work.
And Chicago's a cool town, man. I've been to Chicago a few times. I don't know if I'd want to ride a bike in Chicago.
Watch those potholes.
Yeah, I was going to say. I was like, there's two cities in America that I say that the potholes have potholes. And that is Chicago, and the other would be Dallas.
Oh,
but
yeah.
Anyways, beautiful bike. Thank you for bringing it out to the show today, man. I tell you what, if I find other things that are not Harleys that beats this,
okay,
I don't think it's going to happen today. So,
all right, man.
Super rad bike. Hey, wonderful meeting you.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Enjoy
Weems.
the rest of the show.
Jaden Weems out of Florida. If you feel familiar with David Man, they're on David Man bike. But Jared and his son had the skill set to build them, and they built the 1975 Iron Head David Man replica right behind. He's done some great work. We have the packet over there at the car. Please come down and get. I'm not doing this for everybody, but I'm going to give Jared the mic for a quick second.
What's up, everybody? Super excited to be here at Harley-Davidson 120. Man.
He said he's emotional, and when you go read the card, you understand the work that they do. Right on. Now the question is, you gotta tell him to give you the ring. So when you get over there,
Congratulations.
welcome to the damn family. I'm not cursing, young man. That's that, but he's doing that.
Well, bro, you done did it. Came all the way to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, got honored by the Harley Museum for building an amazing motorcycle, being 16 years old. How rad is that?
I don't know, man. I'm still in shock. Like, I'm gonna cry at some point.
Well, I did that while you were getting awarded, so proud dad moment. Thank you for helping me stay humble and stay motivated to build cool motorcycles like we did for this Autism Charity. So if you guys want to find out information on how to possibly win that Sportster, make sure you go to the link below, check it out. Tickets only cost $25, and every penny of that goes to support the Autism Society of America. Super awesome.
Just like what Kendrick said, sit down, stay humble.
Sit down, stay humble, and that's what we're gonna do. Well, thank you guys for hanging out, watching the video today. If you guys are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
And Weems Motor Co.